top books, subject, show the book,
Yes.
economics, and topic to pupil as resource. Pupil as resource. Now, today I defined of the pupil as resource. First of all, I am dictating about what is the populations. Populations, all the people who live in the particular place or all the people are living or the particular type of that live in somewhere known as the population. India is the most populated country in the world. It means you can say that India is the second most populated country in the world. Till date, our population and 1.35 crores, approximately 1.3 billions, 135 crores populations in billion population crores. Okay, now topic as people as resource. People as resource is a way of referring to country, working people in the term of their exciting productive skills and ability. Looking at the population from this productive aspect, emphasis is the ability to distribute the creation of the gross national product like the resource population. Also is resource the human resource. It means the population as resource, it depend on that human capital when there is the investment of in the form of the education, trainings and medical care. These are the very important topics our इन विशेष स्थान पर रहने वाले समस्त व्यक्ति या कहीं पर रहने वाले विशेष प्रकार के समस्त व्यक्ति या जीव जंतु को क्या कहते हैं, जनसंख्या कहते हैं. Every 10 years which are counting of the population known as the census. 10 साल के बाद जब पॉपुलेशन यानी लोगों की जो काउंटिंग होती है और उसी काउंटिंग को क्या कहते हैं, मतगणना. सेंसस का मतलब मीन्स क्या हुआ, मतगणना. मतों के द्वारा हर 10 साल के बाद जब प्रीवियस टाइम 1911, now these are the first counting of the population. After that 2021 these are counting of our population. Now in this topic, what is the first of questions, what is the human resource? What is the human resource? Human resource describe the people who make up the work force of an organization, industry, business, sector or economy. Human capital is the sometimes used to the synonymously with the human resource. Although human capital typically refer to the narrower effects, which is narrower effect. These are totally, you can say, how to organize in sectors day by day. It has given to the now given to human capital. The human capital means the skill, knowledge and experience possessed by an individual or the population used in the term of their value of cost of an organization or a country. It means human capital, which is the skills, knowledge and experience स्किल होनी चाहिए। स्किल का मतलब बुद्धि विवेक, नॉलेज का मतलब ज्ञान, और इंडिविजुअल का स्वतंत्र आपके पास पूरी फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइडेड होनी चाहिए। दीज आर कॉल्ड द ह्यूमन कैपिटल। What do mean by the physical capital? In economics, physical capital is as a factor of the productions and consisting of the human-made goods, including the machine, buildings, computer, etc. The value of land is usually not included in the physical capital. It is not a responsible product of the human activities. These are the major facts of which is the physical capital. In this topic, I will also dictating about this investment. What is the investment? What is investment? Investment is the purchase of goods that are not consumed today, but you are used in the future to create wealth in finance and investment in a monetary asset purchased with the idea that asset will provide an income in the future, will later to be sold and higher price for the profit. These are called the investment. Investment, these are the not a present, you can say that you can utilize of the which is in future generation. Future means भविष्य निधि में जो which are not worked in a properly, they can use on that future. These are called the investment. Also, I am dictating about that. First of all, you can see the sectors. They are the three sectors in that unit. First of that, primary sectors, which are the factor utilized in the proper and it has received by the nature, known as the primary sectors. That sectors which are the primary sector: agriculture, forestry, animals, husbandry, fishing, poultry farming. Secondly, which are the manufacturing industry, manufacture including the trade, transport, banking and education. These are the primary sector. Primary sectors, tertiary sectors, those sectors depend on the with the tertiary sectors. Tertiary sectors, which is the sector result on the product of goods and services. Those goods which are the making of that human being, which are used and it has given the satisfactory result, they can say to the which is tertiary sector. Tertiary sector, which are the first sector and second sector, both are depend on the tertiary sectors. It has very important tasks of the sector. These are the reference of the which is the pupil as resource. Pupil which are maintained, how can do this work? These are depend on the three possibilities. Number one, skills. Number two, skills. Number three, which have the educations and reflect liabilities, economic expectations, education, training and medical cares. These are the term as a pupil as resource. Exciting productive updates, looking at the population from productive aspects, like a pupil which is a productive and large population is often first. My dear students, you know about what is the population. Population is a referring. What is the population? The number of people who live in a particular area, city or country, known as the population. Populations, that India is the second most populated country in the world. Our population now till date 135 crores it has as a per. Now you can say that 1.3 billions. Thus, China is the first populated country in the world, but India is the which is second populated country in the world. China is the industrial area, but India is the agriculture area. These are depends on that education, skills, and product. These are the education, skills, knowledge. These are the main motto of the people as a resources. देखो क्या हुआ, स्टॉप स्टॉप